Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A3 wing mirror cover. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your paintwork and a set of Torx screwdrivers for different fasteners. Having a clean cloth and a safe spot for your parts will also make this process much smoother and help prevent any accidental damage. Our next step is to carefully remove the mirror glass. First, adjust the mirror glass to its highest upward position using the interior controls. This creates a gap at the bottom. Now, gently insert your plastic pry tool about 1/2 inch under the bottom edge of the glass. Apply steady, even pressure to carefully unclip the glass. If your mirror is heated, remember to disconnect the 2 electrical wires from the back of the glass. With the mirror glass safely removed, you can now access the mirror cover. Look inside the housing for any small screws, typically 2 or 3, that secure the cover. Remove these with your Torx screwdriver. Next, locate the plastic clips around the edges of the cover. Use your plastic trim tool to carefully release these clips one by one. Once all fasteners are loose, gently pull the mirror cover straight away from the housing. Now it's time for reassembly. First, align your mirror cover and press it firmly until all clips engage and it sits flush. Reinstall any screws you removed to secure the cover. If your mirror has heating elements, reconnect the 2 electrical wires to the back of the mirror glass. Finally, carefully align the mirror glass with its housing and apply gentle, even pressure until it clicks securely into place. Perform an operational check to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.